नमस्कार दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सभी मस्त होंगे और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का एंजॉय लेते होंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द एक्सरसाइज 13.2 of class 9th mathematics, surface areas and volumes, and this exercise is totally depend on the surface areas of the cylinder. As we have discussed that all the parts, that surface area of the cylinder means its formula: total surface area, area of base, area of top and chord surface area of the cylinder. So dear friends, in this we are going to start the question number 7. Given that the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter, inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter, it is 10 meter deep, that well is 10 meter deep, then find, first there are two questions in this: inner chord surface area and the cost of plastering this chord surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Okay friends, so as the information given that we should write it, its inner diameter is given 3.5 meter. Since inner diameter is inner diameter is 3.5 meter, so its radius will be, therefore its radius is the half of the diameter, which is 3.5 divided by 2 meter. 3.5 divided by 2 meter is the radius, and it is 10 meter deep, therefore its height, deep means height, is 10 meter. Then let's find the answer of the first one, inner chord surface area. So inner chord surface area first, inner chord surface area of the well, chord surface area of well is equals to formula 2 pi r into h. Substitute the value. 2 pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 3.5 by 2 and height is 10 meters square. Let's simplify it. 2 is cancelled, 7 5s are 0.5, so we got 22 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 10 meters square. So when this 0.5 is multiplied by 10, you will get 5. Therefore it can be written as 22 into 5 meters square. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 1 11, 110 meters square is the inner chord surface area of this well, right? Now in the second part it is asking that find the cost of plastering this chord surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. The rate of plastering is given rupees 40 per meter square, means rupees 40 of 1 meter square. So what is the cost of plastering this 110 meter square? So अभी आपको पता है कि 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का प्लास्टरिंग कॉस्ट कितना गिर रहा है, दैट इज 40 रुपीज. सो द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ प्लास्टरिंग दिस 110 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू, it is the second part, second question, so we need to write down. So cost of plastering is equals to 110 multiplied by 40 rupees. Why? Because rate of plastering is given, rupees 40 per meter square. Understood? So multiply it, you will get 0 0 4 1 ja 4 4 4 ja 4 1 ja 4 means 4,400 rupees we have to pay. Rupees 4,400 is the cost of plastering, means it is the answer of second part. Right friends? So therefore you need to write down two answer of this is in first inner core surface area of well is 110 meter square, 110 meter square, and second, it was the first answer. Second, cost of plastering is plastering it is rupees 4,400. Okay friends, so as in this the information was given inner diameter is 3.5 meter, so we got the radius is half of this 3.5 meter and it is 10 meter deep, so height is 10 meter. So we can find the inner core surface area by the formula 2 pi RH. Substituting the value and simplify, we got 110 meter square is the inner core surface area of the well. Now this inner core surface area is going to be plaster. So question is asking, then find the cost of plastering this core surface area, this inner surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So since rate of plastering is rupees 40 per meter square, so what is the total cost of plastering this 110 meter square? That is the 110 multiplied by 40 rupees, which we got 4,400 rupees is the total cost of plastering it. Right? Okay friends, let's see the solution of the question number 8. In this it is given, in a hot water heating system there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. In this system there is a pipe is kept whose length is 28 meter and height is and diameter is 5 centimeter. As the diameter is 5 centimeter, find the total radiating surface in the system. So to find the total radiating system, we should find out the core surface area of this pipe. So first of all, we should write all the information which is given there in the question. First thing is given, the length of pipe is 28 meter. So length of pipe, what does it means? It means that height of the cylindrical pipe. So since length of pipe is equals to 28 meter, therefore it shows that the height of that cylindrical pipe is, this implies that h is equals to 28 meter. After that, its diameter is given 5 centimeter. So since diameter is 5 centimeter, it implies that radius will be half of this. Radius is 5 by 2 centimeter. Right? So radius is 5 by 2 centimeter. Convert this into meter. So it can be written as 5 upon 200 meter. Right friends? Why? Because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now, as it is given, find the total radiating surface in the system. So to find the radiating surface, so area of radiating system or area of radiating surface area of radiating surfaces, we have to find out chord surface area of pipe. Surface area of pipe, right friends? And the chord surface area of pipe is 2 pi r into h. Now substitute the values. 2 pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 5 by 200 meter, multiplied by height is 28 meter square is the unit. Now simplify it. 7 4s are 28. Now 2 hundreds are 200. Therefore we got 22 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 upon 100 meter square. Right friends? So you can multiply these all. We will get it. 22 multiplied by 5 4s are 20 divided by 100 meter square. 1 0 is cancelled. So we got 44 upon 10 meter square. Therefore it can be written as 4.4 meter square is the radiating surface in this system. So our answer is total radiating surface in the system. So the total radiating surface in the system is 4.4 meter square. Right friends? So as the radiating surface, that surface is heating the water in this heating system. So to find out the radiating surface, we need to find the chord surface area of the pipe. And chord surface area formula 2 pi r h, substituting the value, we got the total chord surface area. Chord surface area of this system is 4.4 meters square. Okay friends, so let's start the question number 9. In this, the first part I am going to explain here. Given that the lateral surface area, find the lateral surface area or chord surface area, means lateral surface area and chord surface area. Both are having the same meaning. Of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter height. So 4.2 meter in diameter that cylindrical tank is having and 4.5 meter height. So we need to find out the chord surface area. Before that we have to write down the information which is given in the question. So in the solution of this, as it is given 4.2 meter in diameter, since diameter of the tank is 4.2 meter. So this implies that radius will be 4.2 divided by 2 meter, that is equals to 2.1 meter, and 4.5 meter height, h is equals to 4.5 meter. So we need to find out its chord surface area or lateral surface area. So therefore lateral surface area or chord surface area of cylindrical tank or cylindrical petrol storage tank tank is equals to chord surface area, which is 2 pi r into h. Substitute the values, we will get 2, the value of pi is 22 upon 7, multiplied by radius is 2.1 meter, multiplied by height is 4.5 meter square. Simplify it, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 0.3 because this was 2.1. Now we got 2 into 22 into 0.3 multiplied by 4.5 meter square. So we need to multiply 2 into 4.5. When you multiply 2 into 4.5, we will get, means we have to write down 22 into 2 multiplied by 4.5 into 0.3 meter square. Now 4.5 2s are, which is 9. So 22 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 0.3 meter square. Now let's multiply these together. 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 1 19, means 198 multiplied by 0.3 meter square. Therefore multiply it, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, plus 2 29, and 3 1s are 3, plus 2 5. 59.5 meter square is our required answer, means the chord or lateral surface area of this cylindrical petrol tank. So write your answer also. Therefore lateral surface area, lateral or chord surface area of the tank is 59.4 meter square. Right friends? So here the meaning of lateral and chord, actually lateral surface area is used for the cuboid and cube, that is area of walls. Here in the cylinder, that is also written in lateral surface area, it means the wall of the cylinder, that is chord surface area. So both are having the same meaning, don't be confused in this. So we got chord surface area is 2 pi RH, substituting the value we got 59.4 meter square is the chord surface area of this closed cylindrical petrol storage tank, right?